Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
To start, I am going to be using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this one is in the color medium brown. Then I take the end of the pencil and I just brush out the hairs. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one does have a satin finish to it. I'm using the shade Medium Beige. And I'm using this concealer to clean up my brow bone.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You want it, come on, fair. Now you I want to. body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one go ahead, reach your money, yo. Reach your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel 'em. If I know if you do, I'ma go talk 'em. Baby, you rock 'em. No need for front, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I know, say, I just gotta tell you what's in my mind. You gotta know.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original Batman. John Tricks on the beat.
So when applying my makeup, I usually don't ever bake my face. So once I apply the powder, I go right in and then dust it away and then apply my face powder on top of it. For powder today, I am going to be using the LA Girl Pro Face. This is another drugstore brand, and it's probably one of the best drugstore brand besides the CoverGirl. Is it CoverGirl? I have one over here. No, not CoverGirl, Fit Me. So Maybelline Fit Me, but this one is not my shade. I can't find the other one. These two are like my top two foundation powder when it comes to like a drugstore brand. This one, I must say, is my favorite, but like I said, I can't find my shade right now, or else I would be using this one. I just feel like this one, it does give me like a more matte finish, kind of like what I'm going for. Compared to this one, I do notice like I do get a little oilier quicker when I use this one compared to the other. I can't find my shade, so I'm gonna use this one today. Also, I'm not going anywhere, so who cares? So I'm just gonna take my brush first, and we're just gonna dust all this powder away, and then I'm gonna go on top of it with this one. It's so annoying. I have like a glitter stuck on my face, and I'm like, I don't know how I'm about to get it out. I got. I hope it doesn't like leave a mark. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl face powder. I'm just gonna apply this to the areas that I mainly like did not set, And then I'm going to take, once I'm done applying it to the areas that I did not set with the setting powder, I'm going to just take the brush, like the empty brush with no product on it. I'm just going to go back over the areas that I did set. Alright, so now with the empty brush, without picking up back any more products, I'm just gonna go back over my under eye, the bridge of my nose, and yeah, you just want to make sure everything is well blended together. Alright. So now that the foundation part looks flawless, now we can move on to the next step, which is contouring your face and, you know, getting that really chiseled look. So to contour my face, I am going to be using another foundation powder. I really don't use blushes like that. So this one is by Ruby Kiss. This is what the front looks like. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. I always get them at the beauty supply store for about $6. So I use their darkest shade, which is Chestnut. So that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to go back over the areas where I did contour with the contouring cream. I'm going to go in really light-handed because this product here is really pigmented. For a foundation powder, it's like the product comes up so much. So you want to go in really light-handed. And I'm just going to take my brush. I'm using a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to swoop this over the areas that I did contour. So just like that. You guys see what I mean? Like, you really have to go in really light-handed with this product. Because if not, you're going to have a big glop right there. And you do not want that. Okay, you can also pass it under your chin if you want to make your face look a bit more chiseled. Because this look is a bit more like on the pinkish side, I am going to add a little blush today. It's winter time outside and I don't like my face looking dewy, so I'm not going to use any highlighters. I'm just going to use blush to, you know, make my cheek look a bit more rosy. And yeah, the blush that I'm using is from Wet n Wild, and this one is in the shade Mellow Wine. It's like a really pretty rosy color, and I'm just going to apply this to like the highest points of my cheekbones. And I'm just going to smile. And I'll hide this here. So just like that. You guys see that? So pretty. Alright, so that's it for face. Now I'm just going to take my setting spray. So this one is from Hard Candy, and this is their long wear setting spray. So for lashes, let me put you guys up on tea. So I got this full thing of lashes on AliExpress for I think $4 or $5, you guys. And it comes with about, I'm not even sure how much pair of lashes. So each one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 lashes in total for $5, you guys. I'm gonna leave all the links down below. Where you guys can purchase this. And yeah, like, I could not believe it. I was shocked myself. Like, alright, so before I do lashes, I'm just gonna finish up with my waterline. And I'm gonna go in with that same peach color first. Burgundy color that I applied on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with a black gel liner and add this to my waterline. Now I'm gonna use this mascara by Essence. Their mascaras, you guys, are so bomb. They have some of the best affordable mascaras that I have ever tried. So I did take some of that white shadow from that palette and just place it into my inner tear ducts. And I'm just gonna add some mascara. So for lips, I will be using these two products from Maybelline. So I'm going to use the brown one to outline my lips and then the nude one in the center of my lips. So the shade of the brown one is number 85. It's called Protector. And the nude one is number 55. This one's called Driver. So we're going to put Driver in the center. And I have been using this one as a lip liner, so whenever I'm wearing lipstick or just gloss, I would outline my lip with this and put gloss in the center. And it's a really cute combo. So this one, literally, I cannot tell the last time I really used a lip pencil. I've only been using this. I put all my girlfriends onto it. You guys should definitely check this out. It's so bomb. And I hope I don't have lipstick in the center of my teeth, because that's just ghetto. That's it for face. I don't know if I want to apply a gloss or just leave these lips matte. I actually really like the matte lip, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it matte. Probably when I'm done my hair and stuff, I'll probably put on lip gloss to show you guys, but for right now, I'm gonna leave it matte. This is the finished look. Super cute. Let me come closer. I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how the look is given.